Earl Nightingale, a name that resonates through the corridors of time, a beacon of wisdom in a world rife with distractions and chaos. His teachings beckon us to embark on an inward journey, a quest for self-discovery and mastery that transcends the ordinary. Picture him, a man who understood that we are the architects of our dreams. His voice a gentle yet powerful reminder that what we think about, we bring about. In a world that often seeks to define us, he's here to tell you that you are not defined by your circumstances. Instead, you hold within you a reservoir of untapped potential, a fire waiting to ignite. Close your eyes for a moment, take a deep breath, and realize that the force to change your reality begins with a single thought, a single decision. That's the essence of Nightingale's message. Success is not a stroke of luck, but a deliberate act, a result of the consistent habits we cultivate. Each day, imagine standing at the edge of a vast ocean, waves crashing against the shore. Each wave a reminder of the relentless possibilities waiting for you just beyond the horizon. You have the power to shape your thoughts, to carve your path, and to transform your life in ways you never thought possible. In every heartbeat lies the potential for greatness. In every moment, the chance to redefine who you are. So ask yourself, what has been holding you back? What fears, doubts, and insecurities have chained you to a story that no longer serves you? Let those chains fall away as you step into the truth of your own power. You are meant for more, destined to create an impact that ripples through time. Your journey begins now, and with Nightingale as your guide, you will learn that to change your life, you must first change your mind. The world may be filled with obstacles, but your inner strength, once harnessed, can rise to meet and surpass anything that dares to stand in your way. This is your moment. Seize it. Embrace the relentless pursuit of growth, the daily commitment to align your actions with your dreams, and the unwavering belief that you are capable of extraordinary things. The world needs your brilliance, your passion, your persistence, and now is the time to unleash it. Understanding that each step forward, no matter how small, propels you forward. And while the journey may not always be easy, it is a path paved with lessons and triumphs waiting to be discovered. As you stand at the beginning of this journey, it's essential to understand the power of perspective. Each day presents an array of choices, and the way you approach these choices shapes not just your reality, but also the very fabric of your future. Consider the simple act of waking up in the morning. It's a decision to embrace the day with intention. Will you greet the sunrise with gratitude, recognizing it as a gift, or will you let the shadows of yesterday influence your mood? Each thought you entertain is like a seed planted in fertile ground, and, over time, those seeds will blossom into the circumstances of your life. Imagine stepping into a garden vibrant with color and life. As you tend to your plants, you realize that every weed represents a negative thought, a belief that you are not enough, or that your dreams are out of reach. Pulling those weeds can be uncomfortable, but it's crucial for nurturing the flowering possibilities inside you. Surround yourself with positivity, and let inspiration saturate your environment. Seek out mentors, enthusiasts, and dreamers. Engage with ideas that ignite your soul and thoughts that elevate your spirit. You have an amazing ability to rewrite your story, and it starts today. No more living on autopilot. It's time to take the reins of your own narrative. Embrace this empowered mindset and watch how the world begins to reflect your newfound vibrancy. beckoning you to chase your dreams with fierce determination. As you dive deeper into this journey of self-discovery, embracing the power of intention is paramount. Each morning you are served a blank canvas, waiting for your brush to paint the day in colors of your choosing. Picture this: the moment you rise, the first thought you entertain can set the tone for the hours that follow. Visualize starting your day with an affirmation, a simple declaration that resonates with your dreams. Today, I choose to be grateful, courageous, and unstoppable. This act of intention, though seemingly small, carries profound significance. It's akin to a compass guiding you through the labyrinth of your day-to-day life. When challenges arise, as they inevitably will, this grounding thought can be your anchor. Instead of succumbing to doubt or frustration, you'll find a resilient spirit rising within you, ready to confront each hurdle. Engage in the beautiful ritual of journaling your thoughts or intentions each day. Let it be a sacred space where your dreams can take flight, where your fears can be expressed and examined, and where gratitude flows freely. Write about your passions, your goals, and the wild dreams that make your heart race. Revel in the joy of putting pen to paper, and watch as your aspirations begin to unfurl, becoming palpable and real. You have the extraordinary power to shape your life, and the tools are already at your fingertips. It's all about taking that first step and adopting a mindset of possibility. Embrace this journey with an open heart, and you'll soon discover a world bursting with opportunities and endless potential waiting just for you. As you begin to embrace this empowered mindset, it's essential to cultivate resilience, your ability to bounce back from setbacks that life inevitably throws your way. Resilience isn't just a trait, it's a muscle that can be developed with intention and practice. Think of it as your inner superhero cape. You may not always see it, but it's there, ready to be summoned in times of need. When challenges arise, remind yourself that every obstacle presents an opportunity for growth. It's how you respond to these curveballs that defines your journey. Start by reframing your perspective on failure. Instead of viewing it as a dead end, see it as a stepping stone on the path to success. Each misstep teaches you invaluable lessons, shaping you into a more capable version of yourself. Allow your failures to motivate you rather than demoralize you, turning them into the fuel that drives your ambition. Build a toolbox of techniques to navigate tough times. Visualization can be a powerful ally. Picture yourself overcoming the challenge with confidence and poise. Surround yourself with a support system that uplifts you, friends, family, or even communities that share your passions. Lean on them for encouragement and inspiration when the going gets tough. As you cultivate resilience, you'll find that the world becomes a more inviting place, filled with possibilities that once seemed distant. Embrace each moment, for within it lies the chance to evolve and create the life you desire. As you continue this exciting journey of transformation, let's delve into the brilliance of gratitude, a powerful practice that can elevate your life in immeasurable ways. Imagine waking up each morning with a heart full of appreciation, consciously recognizing the gifts that surround you. Review the simple pleasures, the warmth of the sun on your skin, the aroma of your favorite coffee brewing, or the comforting sounds of life bustling around you. Each moment holds a treasure, if only you take the time to notice. Gratitude shifts your focus from what might be lacking in your life to this abundance that already exists. It's like wearing a pair of glasses that filters out negativity, allowing the beauty of life to shine through. When you start your day with a grateful heart, it infuses your spirit with energy and positivity, setting you on a trajectory for success. Each thank you, whispered or written, amplifies the goodness that flows into your life. Implement a simple ritual. Keep a gratitude journal. Every evening, jot down 3 things that made you smile that day, no matter how small. This practice helps train your mind to seek the silver linings, transforming even the ordinary moments into remarkable experiences. You'll soon discover that gratitude expands your perspective, creating a ripple effect that draws more joy, abundance, and opportunities into your life. So, embrace gratitude as your compass, guiding you through the beautiful adventure that lies ahead. As you embark further on your journey, let's dive into the transformative power of mindfulness, an essential companion on the path to self-discovery and achievement. Mindfulness is more than just a trendy buzzword. It's a way of life that invites you to be fully present in each moment, allowing you to engage with life's richness in a deeper way. Imagine taking a stroll through a serene forest where every rustling leaf and gentle breeze whispers secrets of tranquility. This is what being mindful feels like, immersing yourself in the now, where the magic truly unfolds. As you practice mindfulness, you learn to silence the noise of your racing thoughts, embracing stillness as a source of clarity and strength. Begin by carving out a few moments each day to simply breathe. Find a quiet space. Inhale deeply and feel the air fill your lungs. As you exhale, let go of the tension and distractions. This act of grounding yourself is like hitting the reset button on your day. Start small. Perhaps dedicate 5 minutes to observe your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. Gradually increase this time as you develop your practice. Notice how mindfulness not only helps you manage stress, but also sharpens your focus, enhances your creativity, and empowers your decision-making. It encourages you to appreciate the beauty in small things, transforming everyday moments into opportunities for joy. Embrace mindfulness as a tool that enriches your life, illuminating a path filled with wonder and possibility. As you move forward on this thrilling path of transformation, let's explore the concept of self-discipline, a cornerstone of personal growth that can propel you toward your aspirations. Imagine self-discipline as the inner compass that guides you, even when faced with distractions and temptations. Picture a marathon runner training rigorously, waking up at dawn to lace up their shoes, while others are still wrapped in blankets. It's this unwavering commitment to their goals that sets them apart. Self-discipline isn't about harsh rules. Instead, it's a loving dedication to nurturing your dreams. Start by identifying small, attainable habits that align with your vision of success. If you aim to write a book, commit to writing a page a day. If your goal is to get fit, dedicate just 15 minutes to movement each morning. These tiny yet powerful choices compound over time, resulting in significant growth and accomplishment. Embrace the power of consistency. Celebrate each win, no matter how small, for it fuels your motivation and reinforces your commitment. Hold yourself accountable. Consider sharing your goals with a friend or joining a group that shares your ambitions. Being surrounded by like-minded individuals creates a supportive environment that breeds success. Remember, every great achievement begins with the courage to take that first step. So equip yourself with self-discipline and watch how it transforms your dreams into reality, leading you on a path of extraordinary growth and fulfillment. Your journey toward transformation has been vibrant and enlightening. But there's one more powerful aspect to embrace: the art of connection. Humans are inherently social beings, and the relationships we nurture can be a profound source of inspiration, strength, and growth. Imagine walking into a room filled with like-minded individuals, each person bubbling with ideas, dreams, and stories. This atmosphere is electric, sparking creativity and igniting passions. Connection isn't just about being in the same space. It's about forging deep, meaningful relationships. Seek out those who uplift you and share your interests. Engage in conversations that inspire you, and listen actively. When you connect genuinely with others, you open yourself to invaluable experiences and insights that can accelerate your growth. Consider sharing your journey, your challenges, and your triumphs. Being vulnerable and authentic encourages others to do the same, creating a powerful ripple effect. These connections serve as mirrors, reflecting your potential back to you, reinforcing your commitment to excellence. Additionally, surround yourself with diverse voices. Different perspectives can expand your thinking, challenge your assumptions, and ignite new ideas. Embrace these differences as essential ingredients in your personal recipe for success. Remember, collaboration often leads to breakthroughs that solitary effort may miss. With each interaction, celebrate the magic of connection, allowing it to fuel your ambition, enrich your journey, and illuminate your path to greatness. Let this spirit of togetherness carry you forward, inspiring continuous growth and boundless possibilities. As you stand at the culmination of this transformative journey, take a moment to reflect on all the insights you've uncovered. Each step has brought you closer to the extraordinary version of yourself that was always there, waiting to emerge. You've learned to cultivate the power of thought, embrace gratitude, and foster resilience. Now, it's time to step boldly into your new reality. Picture it, a life where you chase your dreams with fervor, surrounded by positivity, connection, and an unwavering belief in your ability to create a legacy that leaves an impact. Now, let me remind you that this journey doesn't stop here. Growth is an ongoing adventure, a lifelong commitment to pushing the boundaries of what you can achieve. And you're not alone. This community of dreamers and doers is with you every step of the way. So why not share the magic of these insights? By subscribing to this channel and spreading the word, you inspire others to join in this journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Every share, every like, is a ripple in the sea of potential, sparking motivation and change in places you may never even see. You have the tools. You have the vision. Now, let's go forth and light the world on fire with our brilliance. Together, we'll create a tapestry of possibility that reaches far beyond our own horizons. Thank you for being part of this journey. Your extraordinary life awaits. Embrace it.